Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a search bar in HTML. So the first thing we're going to do is make an input element. And we're going to set the type to text. And then what we're going to do is type list equals, and you can put here whatever you want. So we're just going to type car makers, because the list is going to be car makers. And then we're going to close it off. Then on a new line, we're going to type data list. And then we're going to type ID equals whatever we put in this list option. So we're just going to copy it and then paste it into the ID. And then we're going to close off the tag. We're going to press enter. And with our code indented, we're going to type option value equals, let's type Tesla. And then we're going to close off the option. And we're going to copy this 2 more times to give more options. So, for example, here we could put Ferrari. And on another one, we could put Mercedes. You can add as many options as you want. Now, if we click here, we can see that all of the options show up. And we can type, and if I type TES, you can see that only the relevant ones continue showing. In this case, Tesla. So that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.